Alrighty, guys, so I just got done hollering at Nuggs. He let me know he hit 3 homeless people, okay? But he evened it out by saving 2 cats and 2 trees. So look, shout out to Nuggs. He did some good things in this city. He got rid of some problems that we've been dealing with. And you know what? We appreciate him. You see what we got to deal with in St. Louis? Look, you got folks down there. Look, he down there doing his thing. Look at that. We got the arch right there. Boom. And who we got right there?
Your boy Nuggs.
And who we got right there? We got Nuggs and Kayla in my city. That's what's up. And look who that is. The man himself, Mr. BetOnYou. You got the whole gang right here by the arch, and we about to get something popping for you guys, man. Welcome back. I'm your boy, the DashingTrader. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps. Today, we're gonna maximize in a different way. We're gonna do some Doordash, and we got, so you know I gotta turn up for you guys. Look, I done heard they had a rough week, but that ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm about to go ham. I don't know if they trying to do earn by time, but I told them, look, don't head to the north side. If you head up there, you might have to keep your head on a swivel. I got my opponents trying to chop it. All right, guys, so we finally did it. We can scratch something off our bucket list. We finally got to meet Nuggs, and it only cost me $7 to do it. So shout out to Nuggs, man. I appreciate you. We got our first order of the day, $9.75 for 5 miles. This is an order that is gonna actually take me a little bit north, but you know what? I ain't scared of the north side, because that's where I'm from. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the DashingTrader. Today, we finna do a challenge against Nuggs and Pedro. They think they finna just pull up over here in my city and beat me at making money? Hell to the nah. I'm about to go ham. I'm right here at Chick-fil-A. Look, boom. I'm finna slide up in here and get this first order. We finna get this thing going. Let's get it. They played me, guys. Looks like I got a contact support. Somebody already came and picked up the food, and they must have unassigned it because I just got a dummy order. The fuck they beeping at? I know it ain't me. But now we gotta sit up here and message support or unassign this order. So ain't nothing I can do. I gotta sit up here, and I only got 30 minutes on this dash, so I think this a bad start to a shift. Let's see what we can do about it. That first order, I can't do nothing about that. That would have been a good order, but I couldn't do it because somebody picked it up and unassigned it. So I did the same thing because look, I ain't got time to be waiting on support. Now I know we're supposed to do the right thing and message support. I only got until 11:30 for this dash. I need to get at least one order. It's 11:18. I unassigned it. They immediately sent me this $9.50 for 8.3 miles. What the hell I'm finna do? Going 8 miles outside of my zone? No. And then they sent me this one. Negative miles to money ratio, like $5.50 for 6.7 at the same Penn Station. Now they probably would have stacked it if I'd have took that first one, but no. Both of them going north. Not trying to do it, going too far out of the zone. Then I got lucky. Pretzel Boys, 11.50, 6.3. Let's go. I got to get this order done. It say deliver by 11:51. I got to get this done quick so I can have a chance of getting one more order. Doing good. I'm picking up for Greg. Thank you. Okay. Okay, you see it live. First order ready to go. That's how I like it. Now let's go ahead and get this thing dropped off. I'm just like, I got $16 worth of bagels in the Doordash hot bag, right? I'm driving it 7 miles away for $11. Good payout. I'm not complaining, but this shit don't make sense. I know I had to drive by like at least 5 or 7 bagel spots. Like economically, this shit do not make sense. I mean, it's a good order, I guess. Like $11, $11.50 for 6 miles. I took it, trying to make some money, but I'm just like, how is somebody able to order bagels 7 miles away? Why is it not more options for them to order from? Because I know it's bagels. Like I'm literally passing up places to eat. Like I know it's bagels. I just don't get it. It just don't make sense. Like, is this where we at in 2023? Ordering $16 worth of bagels from 7 miles away and then paying somebody $11 to bring it? I don't know. I'm making this money, but I'm just saying, like, it just, is this, like, this is where I start questioning my life and my decisions. Like, why am I delivering $17 worth of bagels 7 miles away for $11? Like, it's not the fact that it's a good payout or not, it is. I'm just like, it just don't make sense to me. But we 2 minutes away though, we finna pull up. First order of the day, just drove it 12 minutes away, and of course it's a hand to me. Alrighty. Next up, $10.75 for 13 miles at Amagetti's. And I'm getting tired of seeing orders like this because it's gonna stay right there. We is not taking that. Next up, they sent me negative miles to money ratio, $5, 6.2 miles. Actually, it probably would have been a little bit less if I'd have been over there by that store, but at the time of them sending me this offer, that's a no-go. Then the next one they sent me was $14.50 for 14.4 miles, a stack, Actually, that same Amagetti's order and a Starbucks order, and then they sent me that Subway order, $8.25 for 6.1. I declined all of those, and then they sent me this one, $11.75 for 6.6 miles at Yummy Tummy. And I'm gonna take that one because both the pickups are at Yummy Tummy, and both the drop-offs are on the same street, just like a 0.3 or 0.4 of a mile difference. So I said, you know what, I take that. It leaves me within the zone that I'm working in, and I can move and groove. Now, luckily, I was able to dash along the way on my way back over here, because I had like a 7-minute drive back over here to Webster Groves area. But we all good now, so I got my next order. This is putting me on track to have a good first hour with DoorDash. I just started at 11:30, and it ain't even 12 o'clock yet. So let's get it, we good. Go Yummy Tummy. We pulling up right now. Alrighty guys, now we waiting on 2 orders on this one, so it might be, I'm estimating it's gonna be a wait no matter what. We got 2 orders. Let's see, I might be wrong, but let's see though. We made it to Yummy Tummy. All right, we got our orders, we in the car, we ready to go. I just need to throw my seatbelt on. You know what, shout out to the restaurant, the merchants. They doing their thing, they making sure them orders ready on time. They asking to confirm them orders. Hey, I don't have no issue confirming the order. I'm not out here trying to get free food. I'm out here trying to get this money. So I have no problem. You have that order ready. I have no problem confirming it every single time. Let's get it. All right, so DoorDash trying to put in some work today. We got a next order, $8 for 4.7 miles. You see, we at Pedro Chick-fil-A now. So I'm about to go in here and get some of his money. See, when I come out here, they give DashingTrader the best order. So now we finna head over here. This order right here should put me at about 30 bucks, I believe, in the first hour. Let's get it. Make sure you let me know in the comments below who you think gonna win this DoorDash challenge. Is it gonna be FDA DashingTrader, type of 1, if it's gonna be Nuggs, type of 2, or if it's gonna be Pedro, you type of 3. I think Trader gonna win. I'm at the first hour and a half mark, and I think I'm at like 30 or 31 bucks. So we in good shape. All right, so that order only took me 1 minute outside of my zone. So all I gotta do is make this right here, go up this street right here and make a left, and I'll be right back in my zone. And the time is now 12:41. So I'm gonna have to look back and see exactly what time we started, but I believe that I started around 11:15 or 11:20. I got that first order at Chick-fil-A before I had all them hiccups. But I think I'm at the hour and a half mark, guys, and I think we had like 31 bucks. So hopefully, I hope they having a better day than me, but I really just need to get one nice banger coming into this next hour, and I'll be in good shape. Man, I don't know what's going on today. I ain't never got this many back-to-back acceptable orders. I don't know if DoorDash is giving me this just because they know I'm about to make this video and they don't want to look bad, but I just got my next order, $10.75 for 4 miles, and it's at a spot that I was getting ready to drive right past. I mean, that's 2 to 1 miles to money, hitting tip potential. I had to take it. It's a little Mexican joint. Shit, we pulling up right now. I was like, damn, so they just gonna send me this good offer while I'm making this video out. I guess I'm taking it then. So we heard that. Now, they sent me this as I was pulling right by this place, so I don't think this one gonna be ready. But I'm just like, damn. Now I actually might have a chance at making it through this challenge. You know, I was really capping, talking about I'm finna just smash them out the park, because both of them got way higher acceptance rates than me. But I don't know, now shit, I might actually have a chance. Let's slide up into Los Fuentes and see if this order ready. So I had a strong feeling this one wasn't gonna be ready, but hopefully it's just like a couple minute wait, because I knew by me driving past this place, it was a strong chance that they might not have it ready. But it's all good though, because I'm on pace to keep these $10 orders cranking out, so I'm cool with that. Lucky me, this customer live on the main road. I had to park next door, that's crazy. But we made it. Boom, front door service. Yes sir, you see it. Next order, we pulling up right here. This is where I got my next order for, guys. The infamous House of Pancakes. So after that Yummy Tummy order, we did get that Los Fuentes order. No, we did that $8 Chick-fil-A order. And then we did the $10.75 Los Fuentes order. Not bad. And then they sent me this right after, $6.72 for 7.4 miles. Don't take offers like that. Now, it's already negative miles to money ratio, but what you got to realize is it's a 72 cents. That's an odd number tip, so we definitely don't take those right there. Then you got $6 for 6.5 miles. I let that one go too. Next order, $4.50 for 6.6 miles. I felt disrespected when that one came through to my phone. But man, that AR is just going down and down. But I will say this though, it's a lot of orders out here in the Webster Groves area compared to where I be in Glen Carbon, Edwardsville area. Night and day, it's a lot more orders. I'm actually making money today. Next order they sent me was $6 for 6.2 miles. And that actually looked like it possibly may have been the exact same order that they sent me already. And I let it go. Then this next one, this is probably a no tip order at Chick-fil-A. And as you can see, that Chick-fil-A right there, that mug be popping. Just order after order after order coming up out of there. And they be jamming in there too. But I ain't jamming with this order. $3.25 for 1.7, had to let it go. Then the next one, straight up out of Chick-fil-A, $9.25 for 7.9. So it's a good strategy to kind of sit and camp by that Chick-fil-A, and you can at least get your 1 or 2 orders per hour and have a good amount of orders, a good amount of orders to sift through, so that you ain't, you know what I'm saying, so that you ain't, you know what I'm saying, just sitting there not making no money. Then I got this order right here. $13.50, 6.2 miles at IHOP, and I said, you know what? I like the cash flow. I like, it ain't taking me too far north. It's over there right by the hospital. Let's go ahead and knock it out. So we at IHOP now. We finna go ahead and get that. The infamous IHOP. Well, can't complain about that. They had the order ready when I got there. 6 miles. Now my dash do end after this one, but I think I got another shift scheduled right after at 2 o'clock. So we gonna be meeting up at 2:45. Let's hope I can get 2 more orders done once I get this one dropped off. And then we should be in good shape, because I don't think they're gonna be able to beat that right there. That might be like 60 or 70 bucks. Hopefully, because look, Trader needs this one. So we got a hand to me order, and you gotta pay for parking. And I bet you this order finna come with a contract violation, because they always do. So we finna go ahead and see if we can walk and find this customer. Now I gotta grab about 65, 70 cents to make sure I don't get no ticket. So let's do that real quick. And we're gonna see if we can find this customer, because I feel like this is a contract violation order for sure. Yeah. All right, what spot am I in? 7531. Gotta go downstairs. So I get to pay for parking. 7531. Initial payment. Let's see. 7531. Yeah, this is a lot. Alrighty. There we go. Should be good. Now we get to search for this customer. If I wasn't doing this challenge, man, I swear, I don't even know, man. Why am I out here with this damn Doordash bag looking for a customer? Hand to me. The address ain't even right. All right, we gotta get it together, because I gotta meet back up with them in like an hour. I was trying to get this money. I knew it was gonna be something up with this order, because it was IHOP, and then it was bringing me all the way over here. So I should have known something was gonna be up. All right, so this the street right here. This the street, and it say number 1. So now we gotta find number 1. Yep, I'm just walking down the street with a big old Doordash bag. Excuse me, mind if I slide by real quick? Hopefully this my customer right here, because man, I'm about to be mad. Are you waiting on the order? Oh my goodness, thank goodness. The in-app messaging, it don't work. Shit, you gotta love Doordash, man. So I got it dropped off. I wasn't able to get my verification picture that I like to get, because I was just so happy to see the damn lady. I feel like I might get a contract violation on that order. I really do. And then the best part is I ain't even get to see my total either, because the damn app moves so fast when it's trying to kick you off the platform that it just boom, just said, oh, dash is over. It said I could dash now, but the zone I'm in, you gotta pay for parking. I ain't trying to do all that. All right, guys, so I got some good news and some bad news. The good news is we sitting at 63 bucks on the day. So we looking good, y'all. I think I might have a chance to win this challenge. I know they was making like 60 and 50 bucks when they was going head to head. And I know today, Friday, they got a higher acceptance rate. They might have been seeing higher tips, but I feel like I've been getting a good amount of orders done per hour. So I feel like I'm in good shape. But the bad news is, guys, I looked over my earnings. Tell me why DoorDash played me, bro. They found a new way to hide the tips to where you don't know if you delivering to a non-tipper on a stacked order until after you complete it. So I go back and I look, and one of the customers say, yummy tummy, $6.50, and the other one don't say nothing. So, bruh, they done straight took away the option for you to tell if it's a non-tip or a low tip offer when you do a stack. And now when you complete it, it show you after, but you gotta do some digging to find out if it was a no tip offer on there. Bro, I'm straight hot. I paused my dash. They want me to dash over here. I'm not dashing over here. I'm going right back to Webster Groves where I just came from. Cause bro, if I find out that I delivered to another non-tip, I might lose my mind. I might actually lose my mind. Like for real, is you kidding me? Why? No. Sitting here in traffic, we got Barnes Jewish Hospital on our left. Look at all that construction. They got it going on. Then we got Forest Park on the right over there. Forest Park, now that's a nice park in St. Louis. You ever come to St. Louis, check out Forest Park, man, because it's pretty awesome. But check out all this construction they got going on right here, man. I mean, damn. And they've been working on this for a minute, dog. Check it out, look. Damn. Wow. That's amazing. They be out there getting it. I think we might be done, guys. I drove all the way back over here to Chick-fil-A, went inside. I ain't got nothing. It's been like 20 minutes. I dashed along the way and everything. I don't know, man. It ain't looking too good, man. I was on track to hit at least 70 bucks, but now, without me getting no order, I don't know what to do. We're hitting a good hourly, you know, pace per hour. Yes, sir. What's up, buddy? And right on time. Look who it is, man.
Right there.
Look like Tim about to be in my video, man.
What's up, everybody?
Nothing much, man. What you got? Hey, I'm sitting here doing this little challenge with Pedro and Nuggs right now. And I just drove 15 minutes back over here and I ain't getting no order.
Really?
Yeah.
Turn on that Uber Eats.
But we doing a Doordash challenge, so I was trying to, you know what I'm saying, show them how it's done over here in St. Louis. I was doing pretty good, but I need at least one more order. You see, this thing ain't going off at all.
I got my Uber.
All right, we might just make it. I got one, $7.50 for 4 miles at El Maguey. Now, I'm 4 minutes away, and it's gonna be 2:30, and then I'm gonna have 15 minutes to make it to our meetup spot, and then we can add up our totals. I think $70 is a good spot to be in. I was like, I need one more order. And they came through. The Doordash guys, I got Doordash. I'm going up against Doordash Jesus and the most entertaining Doordash channel out of all of us. And the Doordash guys decided to bless me. Let's get it. 70 bucks on this one. I got to pull up, get it, and I need it to be ready. And I need to head on out and get it delivered and make it back. Yes, sir. We made it to El Maguey. Hopefully they got this thing ready because I'm trying to win this challenge. We in here. Yes, sir, we in there. The thing was ready to go. Now all we gotta do is just drop it off and meet up with the boys. Sitting here in traffic. There's one thing about St. Louis, you gotta account for the traffic. I'm about to be 3 minutes late meeting up with bro now, but it's all good though. I'm right around the corner and I might just hit a couple side streets though. But all in all, not a bad day. We made $70.75. Now let's see how Pedro did and let's see how Nuggs did and let's see if I'm FDA, the fastest dasher alive. I think I did pretty good though, considering I don't got a high acceptance rate, considering I don't normally dash over here for real like that. I don't dash at all. In the last couple weeks, I done made all my money with Walmart Spark. I be turning on Doordash just for fun. So I'm curious to see what the other fellas came out with. And as always, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button. Stop playing with me. So y'all already know how I did now. I'm gonna spoil it for you. I lost, but it's interesting to see somebody else coming from a different zone able to maximize. Nuggs, go ahead and tell them how much you made today.
I made $76.
Hold on, say that again.
$76.
Y'all already know I take W's in
How much
St.
you
Louis.
made, Pedro?
$77.50. I got
Yeah.
Nuggs by $1.
Bruh, so look, I'm gonna be humble. They beat me. They came to my area and beat me. But you know what? This is actually Pedro's area. So, you know, even though I claim this area is my own, it's actually his. But we all came within the $70 range, and that's still pretty good. So let me know what you think. Would you do earn by time or would you do earn by order when you try a new area? Now look, we about to sit here and hang and chill for a second and do a live stream. Y'all see what I gotta deal with in St. Louis?
Is you saying that we're clowns?
This is what I gotta deal with in my city.
Rubbed out right now.
I'm sitting here trying to eat, and he done pulled up.
This is wild, man.
I didn't bring out any more of the outfit. I didn't know you're going live until I.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button, because I'm trying to get to 10,000 subs so I can get that YouTube money. Stop playing with me.